撒迦利亞書第12章。
Zechariah chapter 12.
耶和華論以色列的默示，鋪張諸天，建立地基，造人裡面之靈的耶和華說：
The burden of the word of the Lord against Israel. Thus says the Lord, who stretches out the heavens, lays the foundation of the earth, and forms the spirit of man within him.
我必使耶路撒冷被圍困的時候，向四圍列國的民成為令人昏醉的杯。這默示也論到猶大。
Behold, I will make Jerusalem a cup of drunkenness to all the surrounding peoples, when they lay siege against Judah and Jerusalem.
那日，我必使耶路撒冷向聚集攻擊他的萬民當作一塊重石頭，凡舉起的必受重傷。
And it shall happen in that day that I will make Jerusalem a very heavy stone for all peoples. All who would heave it away will surely be cut in pieces, though all nations of the earth are gathered against it.
耶和華說：到那日，我必使一切馬匹驚惶，使騎馬的癲狂。我必看顧猶大家，使列國的一切馬匹瞎眼。
In that day, says the Lord, I will strike every horse with confusion, and its rider with madness. I will open my eyes on the house of Judah, and will strike every horse of the peoples with blindness.
猶大的族長必心裏說：耶路撒冷的居民倚靠萬軍之耶和華他們的神，就作我們的能力。
And the governors of Judah shall say in their heart, The inhabitants of Jerusalem are my strength, and the Lord of hosts their God.
那日，我必使猶大的族長如火焚在木柴中，又如火把在禾捆裏。他們必左右消滅四圍列國的民。耶路撒冷人必仍住本處，就是耶路撒冷。
In that day I will make the governors of Judah like a firepan in the woodpile, and like a fiery torch in the sheaves. They shall devour all the surrounding peoples on the right hand and on the left. But Jerusalem shall be inhabited again in her own place, Jerusalem.
耶和華必先拯救猶大的帳棚，免得大衛家的榮耀和耶路撒冷居民的榮耀勝過猶大。
The Lord will save the tents of Judah first, so that the glory of the house of David and the glory of the inhabitants of Jerusalem shall not become greater than that of Judah.
那日，耶和華必保護耶路撒冷的居民，他們中間軟弱的必如大衛，大衛的家必如神，如行在他們前面之耶和華的使者。
In that day the Lord will defend the inhabitants of Jerusalem. The one who is feeble among them in that day shall be like David, and the house of David shall be like God, like the angel of the Lord before them.
那日，我必定意滅絕來攻擊耶路撒冷各國的民。
It shall be in that day that I will seek to destroy all the nations that come against Jerusalem.
我必將那施恩叫人懇求的靈澆灌大衛家和耶路撒冷的居民，他們必仰望我，就是他們所擇的，必為我悲哀，如喪獨生子，又為我受苦，如喪長子。
And I will pour on the house of David and on the inhabitants of Jerusalem the spirit of grace and supplication. Then they will look on me whom they pierced. Yes, they will mourn for him as one mourns for his only son, and grieve for him as one grieves for a firstborn.
那日，耶路撒冷必有大大的悲哀，如米吉多平原之哈特林門的悲哀。
In that day there shall be a great mourning in Jerusalem, like the mourning at Hadad Rimmon in the plain of Megiddo.
境內一家一家地都必悲哀。大衛家男的獨在一處，女的獨在一處；拿單家男的獨在一處，女的獨在一處。
And the land shall mourn, every family by itself, the family of the house of David by itself, and their wives by themselves, the family of the house of Nathan by itself, and their wives by themselves.
利未家男的獨在一處，女的獨在一處；示每家男的獨在一處，女的獨在一處。
The family of the house of Levi by itself, and their wives by themselves, the family of Shimei by itself, and their wives by themselves.
其餘的各家男的獨在一處，女的獨在一處。
All the families that remain, every family by itself, and their wives by themselves.